Hi, hello, welcome back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX channel, and this is the Pixel extended version 2.9 for Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, I'll be unlocking. As you can see, that's the Pixel extended version 2.9 based on Android 11 version with 5th July 2021 security patch, and this is the kernel you get Arrow GOC kernel 4.14. And you get this home screen settings. As you can see, the home settings is this. About information, let me go. This is the Pixel launcher you get in this ROM, out of this ROM, and you can adjust these things. And coming to homes, I shown this widgets and settings. Let me show you the styles and wallpapers you get on these pre-installed Pixel wallpapers, and the styles are given like this, and even the grid size you can select here. This is the Pixel and extended 2.9 for Redmi Note 7 Pro. I mean the Violet. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notification for similar kind of videos. And if you like the video, give it a like also. And coming to settings here, you get first thing is the pixels, then you get all this kind of settings. As you can see, vibrate to indicate call status, G visual mode, notification sound if active, heads up, wake on plug. And coming to this pixels, then the next one is the lock screen settings. Tap to sleep, lock screen, changing info, display media, cover art, display music, visualizer, status bar, unlock with fingerprint when the screen is off, lock screen, clock shell format. You can choose these different types of formats available here. And next thing is the battery style. You get network traffic monitor, system icons, 4G icons, show notification count, tap to sleep, clock options. As you can see, you can customize the clock. And battery style also you can choose here. For example, I will show the dotted circle. It will be like dotted circle. If you want filled circle, you get a filled circle. And this is the another one, circle type. As you can see, you get the circle type battery indicator, and battery percentage you can hide or even present in the inside icon or next to icon as in the here. And this is the quick settings battery percentage. If you want, you can enable here also, you will get here. And brightness slider, auto brightness control, vibrate on touch, you can enable here. These things are given in this status bar settings. And this is the pixels, then navigation bar hardware settings. As you can see, navigation bar gesture customization, you can increase the gesture bar length here. As you can see, you can adjust the left and right edge also. And power menu, advanced restart option, let me show you. As you can see, you get all the advanced restart option, and this is the volume panel you get in this ROM. And you can even take this screenshot in the power menu. As you can see, long press to torch. So this all the gesture settings you get in. This is the pixels done, and network and internet, everything is working fine. Even the GeoSIM I will show you. As you can see, I will be dialing to Geo number. As you can see, you won't get any call recording feature even in this ROM also, stock type ROM. And but anyhow, the call quality and signal reception, everything is fine based upon your internet connection. And coming to settings, let me go back. Okay, and connected devices, you can pair a Bluetooth devices like this, or even the Bluetooth earphones. I will be connecting always, it's no problem anywhere. And even you can cache the devices, and apps and notifications, you get all this kind of settings. And battery percentage, as you can see, I used in last 24 hours, and last 1 hour I am using it continuously. The ideal battery drain is okay, not great or anything like that. You will notice in entire night time it will be like 3 to 4% battery drainage is there, but it is minimal considering its performance what is getting in this ROM. And screen usage is also good, and you get all this customization. As you can see, extreme battery saver is given. What all the apps you need to use, what all the apps you need to restrict, those things are given in this ROM. And coming to display settings, here I don't like the dark thing. I'll show you. Here everything is pitch black condition, but when I go to settings panel, it's also good. Now it's good, but in the quick settings it was not that much dark as you see here. And coming to display settings, let me disable that, and adaptive brightness and advanced settings, everything is there. Accent color also you can change here. Let me show you the Evolution X green. As you can see, you can change from here the accent colors also. Let me choose red or anything like that. Device default, it will be changed. That's the display settings. And sound settings, everything you get as in the same. And advanced settings, you can even change the touch vibration from here. And going into the privacy settings, you get all the privacy settings in this ROM. Location, everything is working fine in this ROM. Even the accessibility menu is also working fine, no problem in this ROM. Coming to highlight parts, you get display color calibration. If you want, you can adjust it. And Mi Sound Enhancer, choose different type of headphone type, and even the preset, those things are working. 100 Mbps plan, it is pulling up to 100 Mbps. As you can see, up to 1995 is OK score, and it's pulling up to. And one error I noticed in this ROM is like, if you connect to Wi-Fi settings and if you disable it out, and if you connect to internet connection, it won't get connected. Actually, you need to restart once, then it will be get connected. Like this ROM works. That's the small bug I noticed, and I thought to mention it out. And you get this Google Go camera as a pre-built in this ROM. You can use any Gcam build also, Arno build, NGK cam, any build you can use, but this is the pre-installed one. You won't get a NX camera, but you can side flash or side load that APK or the NX camera, and everything is working fine. And coming to Geekbench scores here, let me show you. This is the Geekbench scores. As you can see, the single score is 488 and the multi score is 1412. It's good, similar to any stock ROMs, but not higher than 500, but the performance is good. You can use it as a daily driver. And for the gameplay, I am using here GFX tools. As you can see, you need to press 1.5 version, I accept, and it asks for permission to use this folder. You need to allow the folder. That's. And big thing is, you need to enable here the settings, and here the graphics you keep smooth and the frame rate 60. Then run the game, you will get smooth and extreme in this BGMI. Open again with GFX tool, 1.5 version and smooth 60 FPS. I will run game. You can even play in HDR high, and even lobby you can play HDR high here. As you can see, this is how the BGMI. The gameplay is also good. I played plenty of matches, classic matches and even TDM. It's good, the performance, but definitely not a best performance as you see in the gaming ROM. This is a stock and type version. You get this kind of settings. And coming to safety net settings, as you can see, by default it get passed in this ROM. As you can see, it's passed, and the payment apps, everything you can use it in this ROM. You can definitely try out this ROM daily as a daily driver. This is the Pixel extended version. I mean in the Pixel experience ROM only, with little bit of tweaks here and there like pixels. Then you can customize in this smartphone. And this is how the ROM is, the performance, the battery life, everything is working. And that's all guys in this video. And coming to CPU throttling test, let me show you here. As you can see, the performance is not very great in this ROM, but it's okay. The previous ROMs where I shown, this is not the performance. You won't get like this disturbance here. I mean the throttling in this ROM is definitely there, not perfect here, but it's getting good. For day-to-day daily task it's good, not for gaming or anything like that. And this is the, let me check out any one of the apps whether it's there. The RAM management is also good in this ROM. And that's all guys in this video. This Sampath, you are watching Sampath FX channel. There's a Redmi Note 7 Pro Pixel Extended 2.9 on this ROM, and coming to fingerprint scanner, as you can see, it's getting unlocked, and even the face unlock is also working fine, but little bit of time it takes definitely. As you can see, it takes nearly 2 to 3 seconds to unlock using face unlock. And that's all guys. This is the Pixel Extended 2.9 for Violet, I mean the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Do comment down below which is the current ROM you are using in this Redmi Note 7 Pro, and how are you satisfied with that particular ROM. Do comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.